DG viewers. In this video, we will be showing you the 33rd annual celebration of Bobon-USA Fiesta. This is the association of Boboanos in the USA and their relatives and friends all over the world. The feast is in honor of Señor Santo Niño de Bobon. There's a 9-day novena and the Mass celebrated in the day of the feast itself. There's food and entertainment and also a live band. We also participated in the Sinulog dance. The term Sinulog refers to the dance ritual performed in honor of the Santo Niño. The name comes from the Visayan word sinug, which means like water current. The dance involves moving to the beat of the drums, meant to mimic the flow of a river. After the Sinulog, now it's time to dance, time to party. They have a live band and also a DJ. Please join us in the second day of the feast celebration. The second day celebration was started by a mass headed by the parish priest of Bobon-USA. In Sinulog, the people shouts Pit Señor or Viva Pit Señor or Hala Viva, which means to call or to hail Señor Santo Niño or the child Jesus. It is occasionally shouted as a petition or word of thanks during the Sinulog festival. Festival is celebrated to worship, praise, and give gratitude to Santo Niño, the child image of Jesus Christ that is said to be miraculous. It is a dance ritual to commemorate the time when Filipinos welcomed and embraced Christianity. Torrance is one of the traditional dances in Leyte and Samar province. It is widely danced, especially during fiesta, family reunions, and weddings. It is referred to as a courtship dance where dancers imitate courtship movements of rooster and a hen in a creative way.
Labi ang mga bisita, nag-aandam manirap tigagala. May dakpupos na may sinsita, may pinutok na inandang habusa. Ala na sige kita, ang ngayon, ang ewan, nasayaw na hiran kurang sa upot ang sunatang ganda.
During the celebration of the feast, the Kuratsa participants tries to raise funds for the upcoming feast, the needs of the parish, and the needs of the association.
Sikat mo't lagi kung may patron. Mga lain-lain na ang alam-anak at lahat nag-aarik hintang urat. Sikat mo't inigat sa layawan, alagi na mga okasyon, mga kalagasan at patanong, kurat sa butla ang ina-ayon. Nagluluhod-luhod na nalupa. Hala na sige kita, kay nasa wag bisita. Maupay ang pagustura, kay damok hayaan na gala.
Pusa itong sa kabalong.
Ay, nakikita, nakikita, ang banungan, ang kita, makapyong, ang banungan, ito. Ay, nakikita, nakikita, ang banungan,
This is for Father Poten. So please, Father Poten ini. So please be generous. This is for Father Poten.
We had so much fun in this Fiesta celebration. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more video updates. Thank you.